All right, so today we're going to be talking about our 4 skincare sets and who they are for and how they work. So we're going to start with the set for the youngest skin, and that's the Botanical Effect set. It's a cleanser with a toner and then a gel moisturizer. And it's designed really for younger skin. It's designed for girls, really any age they could start with it because it doesn't have any anti-aging properties. It's very gentle, and usually girls will stay on Botanical Effects until they're about 20 and they want to start doing some preventative anti-aging. This is a really wonderful set to teach girls about hygiene and to just keep their skin nice, moisture balanced, and clean. It will help them also kind of prevent acne down the line, which is wonderful. Now, once hormones do kick in and it's time that they may be breaking out, then we do have an acne line, and it's called Clear Proof. And this set it goes cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and then it has a little acne gel. Now, these products have salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide in them, and so it's a pretty drying set. Like if you're oily and you have a lot of acne, then you would do great with this set. However, if you have really dry skin and you get 3 pimples on your chin once a month, hormonally, then you don't need an acne set. In that case, people can just use part of the set. So the acne gel here, I sell this to women of all ages because most women I know occasionally will get a pimple here, a pimple there, and that's just a spot treatment. The toner is more for bigger areas of acne. So if someone kind of has a lot of blackheads on their nose, blackheads on their forehead or on their back, I'll have them use the toner for that. Sometimes people get acne on their back. Even like grown women that have no acne on their face will get it on their back. And so they can even squirt some of the toner into their hand and rub it on their back. So if someone is oily skin, they have a lot of acne, then the Clear Proof is great. But if they just have some spot problems, like just blackheads on their nose, then they could probably just get by with just a toner, or the occasional pimple, they can get by with just the acne gel. And you can mix and match these with our other set. Now, this can also be used for any age. Some people are 60, they're still breaking out, doesn't matter, they can still use it. Now, our most popular skincare set is our Miracle Set 3D, and this comes in 2 formulas. It comes in the normal to dry formula, and it comes in the combination to oily formula, and it goes like this: cleanser in the morning, and then day cream, which is SPF 30, and then at night it's your cleanser, your 4-in-1 cleanser, and then your night cream. And then it also comes with an eye cream, which they can use morning or night, or morning and night. Now, the 4-in-1 cleanser does 4 things. It cleanses, it tones, it has toner in it, it exfoliates gently, and then it also brightens the skin, which means it helps even out any sort of like skin discoloration. So I recommend this set starting around age 20, and it can really go up as much as people want. It's designed for people who want to prevent it, like aging, or if they have like maybe some fine lines, they want to just keep things looking good or improve a few things, then that's what the 3D set is for, and it's wonderful, and the majority of my clients are on this set. Now, the Volufarm set originally was marketed as our 50 and older set, and Mary Kay quickly took that off, the 50 and over sign off, because there are people in their 30s who feel like they have advanced signs of aging, and there are people in their 60s who feel like they don't. So basically, if a client wants some anti-aging, which set do they get? It really comes down to what they feel they need. The difference between the Volufarm set and the 3D is that the Volufarm set also helps with skin elasticity. It helps a lot with like age spots. And it also, the eye cream helps a lot with puffiness, and that isn't as much with the 3D set. So this is kind of the latest and greatest in the most advanced technology of anti-aging skincare. So if someone feels like they have areas that they need to fix, then they're a Volufarm customer. If they feel like they just want something super basic that's just going to keep them looking young, then they're a 3D customer. It's up to them. There's one extra step in the Volufarm set. So with the 3D, it's just cleanse and day cream, cleanse and night cream. But we also have a lifting serum here for the Volufarm, so it would go cleanser, lifting serum, day cream. And at night it would be cleanser, lifting serum, night cream. The night cream has retinol in it. And so it's an extra step, but how long does that take? Like 15 seconds? I don't know, but it's wonderful. Now, for the 3D set and the Volufarm set, clients get a deal if they buy it together, also for the Clear Proof. So it behooves them to get the whole set as opposed to just picking a few pieces. But not all the pieces are necessarily going to run out at the same time. Like, for example, I use the Volufarm set. The lifting serum only lasts like 6 weeks. It lasts the least amount. And then I can get almost 6 months out of my eye cream. So they don't always have to continually buy the set. They can just keep getting the pieces that they need. But first, when they start out, it's wonderful if they can get the whole set, because if they just get a piece or two, they're not going to see a big difference in their skin. And then they're less likely to reorder, and they're just less likely to be happy with the product. So if someone says, can I just get the cleanser? Then of course they can just get the cleanser, but it doesn't hurt to say, you know, maybe ask a few more questions to see if they might be interested in the whole set. Now, all of these sets can be mixed and matched. So let's say someone tried the Voluform set and they love it, and they're like, I love it except I don't like the day cream, or I love it except I don't like this one piece. Then what I'll do in that place is I'll just substitute in for 3D, you know, because, you know, products can be different for different people. What somebody says is like a really rich moisturizer, someone would say, oh, it's really drying on me. So sometimes you can go ahead and mix that out, but all of our products have been tested together so they can be switched up. You know, sometimes you'll have an adult with dry skin who has a lot of acne, and if you gave her the complete Clear Proof set, it would just dry her out. So she would do better with like a 3D normal to dry cleanser and moisturizer, but then with a Clear Proof toner and acne gel. And you don't have to know all that right away. In those situations, don't ever be afraid to call me, and I'll be happy to explain it. But I hope this helps understand the 4 different sets, and that you have a lot of fun selling lots of skincare.